Ain't no rush in my step, I've been patient. Still grinding while they still wait. Manifested this life, I ain't faking. Jordan on time, 2020 seats vacant. I've been manifesting with my eyes wide open. Praying every morning, still grinding through the motion. They don't see the vision, they just see the posting. But I've been chasing progress while they chasing moments. Jordan on a mission, had to level my pace.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jeff, just coming at y'all. And got clear my throat. But it's your boy Jeff, just coming at y'all with another video. As y'all can tell by the title, this is a very important topic that I like to cover, because I went through it, and you probably going through it right now, and that's why you came to this video. I'm gonna give you the simplest ways to overcome adversity if you're going through it right now. But hold on, before I get into it, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe, push that notification bell, and let's get into it. If you're going through adversity, you must have tough skin. You gotta have tough skin. Cause when you going through adversity, it's supposed to be a growing moment for you. You feel me? You're supposed to grow from adversity. It's gonna help you shape to be the person that you want to become. That person you seeking for deep down inside. So you must have a strong mindset when it comes knocking at your front door. Ways you can overcome it. Ways you can simply overcome adversity. My shit falling out real quick. But ways you can overcome adversity is simply just going through it. You have to be mentally strong to go through it. Cause guess what? You gotta think about the outcome, and you gotta think about the defect of everything if you choose to let adversity take over you. If you sit up there and let adversity take over you and let it win, you will be in the same situation for the rest of your life. Whatever situation you win, you will be in the same situation, or you're gonna be in a worse position than you was already in. You feel me? So you must go through it, because it's not gonna do nothing, but it's not gonna do anything but to grow you in the long run. Adversity equals growth. And you also gotta think about this. God, or whoever you believe in, God, He put that wall in front of you for a reason. Cause He knows deep down inside that you, out of all people, can overcome this challenge. He knowing it's gonna be hard. You already know it's gonna be hard. He knowing that, but He knows deep down inside, you, my child, I know you can go through this shit. You just gotta sit there and go through it. You gotta have that mindset where I'm gonna push through it any way possible. I'm gonna push through it despite how I feel, because people will count on you. You probably got your little brother, your co-workers, family, sister that's counting on you to make a move. Don't be the one to let them down. Go through that shit, because at the end of the day, it's only gonna make you a better you. Back in the day, I had to go through adversity when it came to my knee surgeries. If you want to hear about that, that's in the last videos. My link will be in the description. But when it came to my knee surgeries, when I was younger, and I wasn't the person that people called on or picked on during school, like I had to have thick skin at a very young age. But guess what? All that shaped me to becoming the man I am today. I done gained a lot of knowledge. I'm still learning, still reading, still studying how the brain works. And and once you apply all that, this thing your mindset gonna be mental sharp. And notice how I'm stressing the mindset, like it's like your mind is the most powerful thing on you. This is a powerful tool. It's powerful than all these motherfucking computers, phones. How you think I'm recording right now off my phone? Somebody had the genius idea to create this. So literally all you gotta do is just put forward that mind, put forward into learning the mind, then you gonna feel like you can accomplish anything in the world. But that's really basically it. It's gonna conclude today's video. It's not that long video, but even though it's very cliche, but it's like that's all what it is. That's all is to it. Like, you just gotta just push through, despite how you feeling, despite what you're going through. You gotta find that will in you to push. You gotta find out your why. Why? Find your why. Overcome the adversity. Cause adversity ain't something that's just gone. Adversity is not just gonna just go away. It's not. And you running from it it's not making it no better. Don't run from it. Run towards it and overcome it head on. And like I said, once you overcome it, who knows? Once you overcome that adversity, that could open up doors that you would never thought that would been open. So yeah, if it's basketball, business wise, working wise, and you feel like you in that hump, run through it. Leap over that hump. Cause it's only gonna help you in the long run, and you're gonna be a better person in the end. This is it for today's video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said in the beginning, turn on them post notification bells, because I will be coming with that here. I'll be coming with some information for y'all. Also follow me on Instagram, Realofficial J. Follow me on TikTok. Add me on Snap. Everything is Realofficial J. And without further ado, man, hope you have a good one, and I'm out. Peace.